Hey guys, my name's Ian. I'm gonna be doing a quick video blog. It's Christmas break, so I'm back home from college. And I think even though it's winter, I'm gonna be taking my motorcycle out for a ride. I'm a little bit sick, so my voice is a little deep. All right. Looks like we got enough. All right. Lights work. It's been a little bit since I've ridden, so let's see if we can kick it over. Oh, she wants to go. She really wants to go. This is video blog 374. Here with the Richens. How you guys doing?
Good.
It's great to be here. That's new. About to go pick up some ladies and go ice skating, because that's how we do. That's how we do. Okay, this is Tay. She's my homie. She's also coming with us to go ice skating. Tell something profound.
I'm excited to go.
Wow, that's great. Tyler, any comments on that?
I think she said enough.
Why? I don't know.
Why do I want to be famous and rich?
Yeah.
Who doesn't want to be famous and rich? This is the only reason I'm doing this video blog. It's for everyone online to see me, to know how great I am, and to give me likes and money. Right?
Okay. Why would people give you money?
Because they're gonna love my videos.
So they'll give you money on the streets.
No, it's an online thing.
Oh.
They'll pay it straight into my bank account. All right, now we got the whole crew. This is, what's your name again?
Haley.
Haley, this is Haley. Sorry. So apparently she's like super good at ice skating.
What?
Tyler said that.
Really?
Right, Tyler?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're both professionals.
Right.
Okay.
So that's why we're going ice skating.
Yeah.
So I can show off.
So they're gonna teach us a couple moves, because I don't know about today, but I suck. How are you?
I'm
at
not
skating?
good.
But Haley and Tyler are champs, so this should be an eventful night. We're gonna maybe learn some spins. What other tricks do you guys know?
Jumps. Lifts.
Do you know the thing
Can you guys
where
carry
you like
each other?
reach
Yeah.
between your legs and you like pull someone between your legs?
That's a
you know,
good
and
one
That's an
too.
advanced
Come out.
move. I think you'll have to wait until next
Yeah.
time to learn that one.
Next time? Okay.
Definitely.
Okay, well we'll have to set a date for that,
Yeah.
because that's kind of the one I was going for. Say, are you ready to go ice skating? Tyler, are you ready to go ice skating?
I am.
Haley, are you ready to go ice skating?
Yeah.
I think we're set.
Are you ready?
No, I don't know. I'm not quite ready, I don't
Sorry.
think. I need to maybe meditate a little bit. We're about to enter an ex-Olympic arena.
We are?
Yeah.
Cool.
We're guessing they did the speed skating here, so we're gonna be going pretty quick. These are our teachers right there. There's Tete. She's not very good at ice skating, she claims, but we're about to find out. This is a pretty classic Utah winter for all you foreigners watching my my
No,
vlogs.
classic Utah winter would be like snow.
Like nasty slush though, isn't there a lot of nasty slush? Kind of mud everywhere. It's great. We're set to get on the ice. Everyone's got their skates on. Tyler traded his day 2 ones for some other ones. Good choice, good choice. This is us skating. Turns out we're amazing. We're just
Kinda.
cruising.
Getting a feel.
Tay was lying about sucking at skating.
Yeah, I can't go any faster, so.
This is a good cruising speed. I feel like I'm not gonna die.
I feel like I am, and people are passing us.
We're just starting off slow. Tyler and Haley are back there. Just chilling. Look at them go. I've never seen such skating in my life.
They're good.
The ice is now our friend. There's no need to fear the ice today. Do you think we can get some of those?
He's already learned everything he needs to from us professionals. I don't think there's any more pointers we can give him. I think that was a 10 spin. There's just a few adjustments he needs to make before he can make it to the pros. He needs to shave his head and call himself a sissy.
Not gonna happen. Regrettably, Tay has acquired a blister. She's very proud of herself right now. Let's see it. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting.
Hey! It's not disgusting.
Tay's walking with one skate on.
That's because of my blister. Not my foot, my blister.
On her foot, it's her blister, which is on her foot. So we're hoping these guys have aid. Tay is currently putting the Band-Aid on her foot, so it's less disgusting now.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, are you using
Yeah, I'm actually
a
using it.
one-pronged fork?
It's the same thing.
It's just the kind of thing she does. But we accept her the way she is.
Okay.
Today.
Ah, my eye.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we made it back to my house. Ice skating was a success. Chick-fil-A, yum.
Good time.
And we'll see you next week.